In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google One app on Windows 11. We'll turn the Google One website into an installed app using your browser so it opens in its own window and is easy to find on your PC. All you need is Windows 11, an internet connection, and a modern browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Start by opening your browser. In the address bar, search for Google One Login. You should see the official Google result titled something like Google One Sign In Google Accounts. Make sure you're clicking a result from Google's own domain so you know it's legitimate. Click that sign in result. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account details to continue. If you are signed in, you'll be taken to your Google One page or prompted to confirm your account. It's a good idea to double check you're using the account that's linked to your Google One membership, if you have one. With the Google One site open, look to the top right corner of the browser for the three-dot menu. That menu is in both Chrome and Edge, and it's where installation options live. Click the three dots, then scroll through the menu. Depending on your browser, you'll see an item under Save and Share or Apps that says Install or specifically Install Google One. The wording can vary slightly by browser version, but the option will be there when the site supports installation. Choose the Install option. A small confirmation window will appear, previewing the app name and icon. This is your browser asking for permission to create an app shortcut and open the site in its own window. If you want it to launch without the typical browser tabs and address bar, keep the default setting to open as a separate window. Click Install to confirm. Your computer will create the Google One app. In most cases, it opens right away in a clean window, and Windows adds shortcuts for you. If nothing happens, give it a second or refresh the page and try the Install option again. To find it later, go to your Windows 11 home screen and check your Start menu. Newly installed web apps usually appear under Recently Added, and you may also see a desktop shortcut. If you don't spot it immediately, press the Windows key and type Google One. You should see the app in the search results, click it to open. That's it. You opened your browser, search for the official Google One sign-in, use the three-dot menu to install it, confirm the pop-up, and then located the app on Windows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy quick access to Google One right from your desktop.